How to fix TikTok maximum number of attempts reached, try again later problem. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina. In this video, I will teach you how to fix that problem. While logging in, it says maximum number of attempts reached on TikTok, just like this. So in order to solve this problem, first go to settings, then go to apps, then go to TikTok, then go to storage, tap on clear cache, and next what you want to do is install a VPN and change its location to the one that is suitable for you. For example, I change it to this. This must solve your problem, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.